How to fix Facebook featured photos not appearing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. Further, scroll to the intro section and then go ahead and tap on the add featured option. And if you don't see the featured option at all, then it could be if it is missing completely. So go ahead and try to refresh the app by simply swiping up and exiting the Facebook application along with all the apps running in the background and then reopen it, as sometimes small glitches can hide the featured section temporarily. Next, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Facebook and make sure that the Facebook application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app. The next fix is if you have enabled professional mode on your Facebook, then sometimes layout changes hide sections. So tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three dots there. Here, check if professional mode is on, and if it is on, then go ahead and try toggling it off and see if that helps. If not, then on settings, go ahead and open settings and tap on the general option and then tap on iPhone storage. Further, go ahead and navigate to Facebook and tap on it and then offload the app and reinstall the app again and see if that helps in fixing your issue. If not, then go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, as sometimes weak internet connection can cause photos not loading or featured section black, so you can simply switch between connection and see if that helps. If not, then it simply could be that the Facebook server is down, so you can wait for some time for the Facebook server to be working fine, and your issue should have been fixed by now. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix Facebook featured photos not appearing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.